are going to have to be the ones that are doing the disrupting. You disrupt your own space. IKEA, I've done some work with IKEA. They're doing some really interesting things, starting fascinating proofs of concept and exploring AI in a few different elements of their business. And so let me dissect this. Number one is they're looking at new business approaches, specifically when it comes to design and marketing. What you're looking at are algorithmically designed chairs. Algorithms created these chairs. Some of them won't see the light of day. Many of them are not even sittable. But the idea is their designers, instead of thinking about creation, they can think about curation. They review thousands of these every day, and they say, which of these fit most with the IKEA aesthetic? In terms of competitive advantage, they're exploring 3D printing enabled types of fabrication, ways that they can build this more modularly, more agile, closer to the customer. In terms of productivity and efficiency, people don't realize monitoring many of their warehouses right now are drones. Those drones are taking inventory as we speak. The drones are more accurate than human beings. Also, they never sleep. And then finally, with customer experience, you can go on their website right now, upload a photo of your apartment, your home, and it'll start making recommendations. It says, well, what about a couch here? What about an end table? What do you think of this chair? And where they're headed is VR. You put on your Oculus headset, you look around your home or your apartment, and it says, hey, what about this bookshelf? What do you think? You can see how it would look next to your other furniture. So they're going from this to this. But imagine, if you will, they get really good at doing all of these things really, really fast. In that world, you don't start with design. You don't start with one size fits all. You start with the customer. You start by giving them bespoke designs as they look at their apartment, and you drop in a couch that they like. It doesn't exist anywhere else. Now you're able to build and fabricate it close to the customer. Right? You have that capability. You're able to deliver it in close to real time. You can use trucks, they're kind of like drones. And in that world, you don't need stores, you don't need warehouses, you don't need inventory, you don't need those big blue mazes that they're synonymous with.